Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a little feature of the homepage that I'm not sure everybody knows is there or how to use it. So just really quickly, I'm just going to go through this with you. I sent out update for your Unit 1 marks on Sunday night in email form, so everybody should have a screenshot from Edsby of their marks from Unit 1 and their marks so far, their percentage marks so far in the course. So if there's any questions or mistakes or anything like that with that, please let me know right away and I'll get that corrected. We don't have a progress report for e-learning. The first report card that you get is November for the midterm report. So we have lots of time to get all that stuff corrected and lots of time for you to bring up your mark if you're not happy with where you are right now. So the little feature I wanted to show you was on the assessment tab at the top of the web page, which we call the dashboard. So if you click on the assessment tab, one of the things in the drop down is the class progress. So let's press on that and see where it takes us. So it takes us, and this page looks a little jumbled because I'm working on my iPad today, and I know that they're supposed to have it be the same no matter what you're working on, and that's why they changed the whole format of the web page, but it doesn't look the same to me. So we'll work with it anyways. If you go to your user progress, when you do it, it will be unique to you. So it will show you all of your marks and what you've done so far. So it'll tell you how many grades you've sent in. It'll show you how much content you've read and how much time you spent on each part of the content. It'll show you with your discussions, and this is what I use to arrive at your discussion mark for communication, is how many threads you've created, how many posts you've read, and how many replies you've posted. And so I'm looking there to see how active you are in the discussion boards, and that's where I get your mark from. Now, the drop box and the quizzes are the most important part of this, because if you're trying to keep track and make sure that you've covered all the bases, you've done all the quizzes for a unit before they close, this is a great place to go. Also, if you handed in a quiz and you're trying to find your mark or trying to figure out where you lost marks on questions, this is a great way to do it. Just open up your quizzes, for instance. It's going to show you all of the active quizzes so far. So we've got 3 quizzes from Unit 1. We had the Quiz 1, Quiz 3, and then the Unit 1 test, which was Unit 1 Activity 6 quiz, because that was the summative assignment. So for you guys, when you finish those, not only will it show you those, but it will show you the mark that you got, and if you click on details, it'll show you all the questions you got wrong along with the corrections to those questions as well, so you'll know what the right answer should have been. And then as we move down, we've got all the Unit 2 quizzes listed here. And so you can make sure that you're not behind and that you haven't missed any quizzes and things like that if you're looking on this screen. So just wanted to let you know that that was there. It's a great way for you to keep track. I don't use the grades tool in D2L. It's way too confusing and I can't get it to do what I want it to do. So just wait for me to update your progress, and email me if you want something in between, and I'll be happy to work it all out and send it to you anytime, okay?